A single line of rope guides a group through some frighteningly deep floodwater. These people among the first to be struck by a vast and dangerous weather system. The strong winds are doing all kinds of damage, but what really matters is this rain, the sheer quantity of it, and the fact that the typhoon is moving so slowly, just a mile or two every hour, that the downpour keeps hitting the same areas for hour after hour. In areas vulnerable to the most violent flooding, thousands have been helped to safety, and the authorities want more people out of harm's way as the typhoon advances.
We are strongly recommending this morning the forced evacuation in the Cordillera area, the landslide prone at flood prone areas.
Not everyone can be saved. In the capital, Manila, a family home was crushed by a falling tree. One person was killed and several, including a child, were injured.
We didn't expect that the tree would fall. My child was inside. I was outside. I saw the tree flatten my house and my family.
Water is essential for life. We need it for drinking, cooking, cleaning, as well as farming and industry. However, water doesn't always sustain life. Floods can cause enormous devastation, especially in heavily populated areas. Floods are the result of melting snow and ice, tsunamis, storm surges associated with cyclones, and when high tide coincides with unusually high river levels in coastal areas. Heavy rainfall is the most significant cause of flooding. The amount of runoff entering the waterway cannot be discharged quickly enough, so it builds up, flooding the surrounding land. Other natural factors that contribute to flooding include the frequency, intensity and duration of the rainfall, the size of the area it falls on, the capacity of river and stream networks to cope with increased flow, how wet the catchment is leading up to the rainfall event. Topography, steep slopes surrounding the river channel increase surface runoff. Ground cover, the amount of vegetation in the drainage basin able to absorb precipitation. If the basin is largely composed of impermeable rock or clay soil, water is unable to penetrate the rock, increasing surface runoff, while permeable rock and soils are able to absorb more water. Human factors also contribute to flooding. Drainage basins in urban areas increase overland flow. Drains and sewers rush water directly to the river channel. Sloped roofs on houses also contribute to the amount and speed of runoff. Deforestation removes vegetation that would absorb precipitation as well as provide natural obstacles to